lemon version in class today. We're making lemon possets in class. You can make orange possets, you can use passion fruits. Any fruit that has a high acidic content can be used for this. So we begin. We have our pot. All of your cream goes in. You're going to add your sugar in there. On the hob, we dissolve the sugar and we bring this up to the boil. So for this posset, two elements, the acidity from the lemon and also the heat. So this is very important that you bring it up to a rolling boil. You bring it up to a rolling boil. So we stir the sugar and the cream together. And then we take it to the hob. And just on a low heat, we'll dissolve the sugar and then bring it up to a rolling boil. And I will show you what I mean by a rolling boil.